This is a little portable air conditioner that I built. It's out of a Coleman cooler. Has a radiator fan on the top, two PVC adapters. Inside has a bilge pump, which is connected to a transmission cooler. There's ice in the bottom. These are just 12-volt switches, one for the bilge pump, the other for the cooler, connected to a scooter 12-volt battery. The nice thing about this cooler is these are just little drainage tubes, and they can set in and you can bend them and turn them whichever way to direct the air. Seems to work out really nice. All this was less than $100 retail.